There's my girl. She's doing good. She loves her new collar. Yeah. Mushroom studs. She's a little mushroom stud. Uh-oh. Maybe a new nickname, huh? She's a little mushroom stud. All right, we're going in. Let's go. Let's go get a treat. Let's go get a treat. It's all muddy out here and it's raining. And boom, boom. She loves the monkey grass. I'm about to get her a big pile of monkey grass to play in her, I guess. Play in. Come on, Tweety, let's go. Yeah, some frogs out here too. Oh gosh, it's getting heavy. Oh goodness, it's getting heavy. But there's a lot of frogs. Yeah, and where there's frogs, there's snakes. Ouch. I just paid the price on that collar. That kind of sadomasochist puts that on a puppy.